Okay, let's talk about the collapse of Mt. Gox, some other recent small exchanges, the Chinese exchanges mentioned by Bobby Lee in the last panel. Terrible for Bitcoin, or good in that it's clearing out some of the old debt?
Yeah, we got to flush out all the has-been, also-rans. There's like a bunch of amateur hour bullshit in the Bitcoin ecosystem, and the reality is those people are really important at the beginning, and they're like the biggest retardants of progress. And so they just need to get flushed out of the system.
But you can't dismiss the negativity that surrounds these high-profile failures. I mean, it's created downward pricing pressure.
I'm not saying that. I'm saying it's good that they fail. I'm saying more of the first generation of these things need to fail. And the reason is because they will get replaced by a more systematic approach to problem solving, the right checks and balances, the right regulatory participation, and that's what we should all want. This thing, if it's going to work, has to be something that basically works as a replacement to an existing system, but not because we are, all of a sudden in one end of the room basically saying, don't even come close to us, we're living in our own little Xanadu. That just doesn't work. It's immature. It's not going to happen that way. And then that's the first reason why regulators and governments will come to basically quash it. And so all of the folks that want to have either a libertarian bent or some other political agenda and strap it on top of Bitcoin, it's really bad for us. And you need to replace that with people who have a technological motive and a financial motive, because those are boundable and understandable by traditional frameworks. And by the time they figure out that, oh my God, it's going to take over, it'll be too late. But if we wrap it in all this veneer of hyperbolic bullshit, then what will happen is it will get shut down quickly, and that's bad for all of us. So Mt. Gox failing, really good. Really, really good. And then the fact that the price stabilized and frankly rallied a little bit, even more important. It's such a signal now that there are constructive market participants here. This is a market. Guys, we're in the beginning of a massive market and ecosystem. A real one, a big one, a legitimate one, a mature one. We should all want that.
So you don't think this endemic volatility that we've seen over the past few months is just a characteristic?
Look at the volatility of gold. And the people in the gold market are 1,000 times dumber than the people in the Bitcoin ecosystem. So
I haven't seen any late night Bitcoin advertisements yet, as there are with gold. Maybe
there'll probably be some cash for Bitcoin ads soon. That's another business somebody